Welcome to Thursday Night Kickoff. Cowboys versus Eagles from Philadelphia, one of the fiercest rivalries in football history.
Dallas charges in with something to prove, while Philly defends their Super Bowl crown. This opener has all the fireworks. Leaked straight from his home security camera, this exclusive footage was sent to us by a mysterious source, Breen, Anthony Holmes, who insists on staying anonymous.
Yeah. Roll the tape. This footage captures the rivalry in raw form. Ending, Cowboys and Eagles colliding with full-speed chaos. Anthony, better known as DJ Tony O, doesn't even watch football.
But when his best friend Brad Dillon throws down for the Eagles, Tony O still shows up.
That's right, DJ Tony O is spinning at the Eagles' funeral repast, Cowboys style.
Before kickoff, we've got to thank Anthony Holmes for that exclusive leaked footage.
Supporting our boys.
After tonight's matchup, we're hoping Brad Dillon and Franklin E. Teague don't set our Eagles gear on fire.